So we're in some QQQ calls. So let's take it out for a quick scalp, guys. I'm out. So we're in a little bit early. We bought one of them for right now, and I'll buy another one later. These things are pumping up nicely, but we still need another good pump. I did live record every single trade that I took on. Wow, look at Amazon go, guys. So we started a month ago being consistent back on YouTube, dropping one video every day of. Good morning, my fellow traders, and welcome back to another live trading session, another live vlog, day in the life, what it's like to be a day trader. And today, guys, market is going wild. SPY right now as we speak is breaking all-time highs. I have a couple call levels. One of them's already breaking out. Two of them, matter of fact, are breaking out because AMD have a call level here at 138.65, and Amazon is currently breaking down a nice call level. So I'm gonna show you guys my trade ideas, show you guys what I'm looking at for today. And guys, today we're gonna try to kill it. This whole week we're gonna do our best to kill it because it's a fresh start of the month. It's December now, December 2nd to be exact. And with all that being said, guys, last month we freaking killed it. So for the first 3 weeks I did call outs. The last week I didn't do any call outs because the market was in a choppy-ish area, but we still managed every single end of the week to become profitable. So let's see and shoot for this month to become profitable. So every morning I do post what I'm looking at for in the morning, but also last night in the trade ideas tab I posted 3 of them. Apple and Amazon were my main watch, and in my own tab I just have SPY levels, which is very simple. So very simple levels on SPY. Currently, SPY is breaking all-time highs as we speak. This is the all-time high level right here, 603.35, and you guys can see we're breaking that net right now as we speak. AMD is above my call level, 138.65. Not too sure if I'm gonna take this one because just look at that weird candle action in the pre-market. But Amazon's going super wild, man. Amazon probably my favorite setup. It was on high watch. Let me show you guys why Amazon was on my favorite setup, because look at Amazon, guys, here. Nice little, if you grab that low, that wick, connect it with that low wick, extend it, it's a nice support. Grab the high of that wick, grab the high of that wick, extend it, it's a nice resistance. And currently in the pre-market, we broke that resistance here. And I was hoping for retest, but it's rocketing, guys. So shit's looking very bullish. Apple's looking very bullish. Everything's going crazy. So we didn't do a vlog on Friday. Reason being is because not only did we go shopping and spend all the way till 7 p.m. and I had no time to edit up. Unfortunately, guys, it was a very short Friday. We did take a loss that day, and I did post my P&L on my Instagram page. So if you guys follow my Instagram, you guys will see that I lost $18 on Friday, which is really nothing compared to what I was winning every single day of the week. The only fortunate thing is I did live record every single trade that I took on Friday, and I took 3 trades and I live recorded every single one of them. So I will be dropping that here soon. I took a $95 loss on the first trade, recovered $65 on the second trade, and then recovered a nice little, I think $20 or something like that. It put me only down $18 on the day. Today and this week overall, we're gonna do our best to absolutely kill it. Buy 2-3 contracts, maximize every single one that I can. The most interesting thing about Friday is the fact that every single trade that I took, we saw 19% on the first one, we saw 15% on the first one, but we still didn't collect out. And we were told ourselves in the live trading that we're not going to collect out and collect for a small little 12-19%. We want to shoot for more. So then it ended up coming down and hitting our stop losses. If you guys want to see the breakdown on it, I did do a breakdown already on my most recent recap breakdown video where I did go over all my trades and I show myself sliding through all the filled orders, and you guys can see that I'm being very transparent. With all that being said, guys, let's get into today's video. Let's try to catch some good live trades. Of course, I'm gonna do my best to live record them. So today is December 2nd, and I gotta remember, I gotta call the court for 10:30 a.m. to fight a bill or this, this stuff that I have right here. I'm just covering a phone number that I gotta call, even though I guess it really wouldn't matter. But yeah, guys, this is what we're doing today. 10:30 a.m. gotta go on the phone. So we're only 10 minutes into the market, open 6:40 a.m., which I'm open on Pacific Standard Time. Now, there's a lot of stocks breaking out here, like Nvidia here with a nice breakout of the most recent plus after hours and pre-market high and yesterday's highs. AMD's going crazy above call level. Apple's going crazy. Amazon's going crazy. Amazon's at a retest here on the 5 minutes, but I just don't trust it because 5 more minutes, if that does a long way to the upside on the 15, you just never know, man. So we're gonna play it cautious today, but we're still gonna enter trades, guys. We're gonna do our absolute best to, of course, record them, and we're gonna post them and show you guys the breakdown and everything. Wow, look at Amazon go, guys. And at one point, I saw it come here to retest, get a nice 5-minute close on this specific candle here. I didn't enter because I wasn't sure what market's gonna do. First 15 minutes of market being open, and I did not want to chase anything. But so far, guys, I gotta learn that is the play right here, man. Just pull the trigger on the retest and just enter, man, because look at how shit is going crazy. Now, the only thing that I don't like I mentioned just not that long ago, is the fact that the 15-minute on a SPY, it keeps getting closes below all-time highs. So I'm not too sure how long or if market's going to continue on running. SPY needs to start doing and following through with this momentum because everything is continuing on to the upside. I mean, Amazon's going crazy. Apple's trying to push here again. Same thing with NVIDIA and AMD. So these stocks are running, besides SPX and SPY itself are not really doing much. So we started a month ago being consistent back on YouTube, dropping one video every day of the week besides the weekends. And some days, like just Friday, we didn't drop one, or Thursday since it was closed on Thursday. But I do want to show you guys, since it's been a while, that guys, we're killing it. We are 731. Don't remember what we started a month ago, but we have well over 200, 300 subscribers from a month ago. So I appreciate all the love. Videos are doing very good. Shorts do the best. Regular videos are they're okay, but I gotta be appreciative because I am appreciative for all of the views and likes that you guys give me. Now, we are killing it on TikTok. We're still at 4,104. Get some followers, lose some followers. But we're no longer in the 200 range. Now look at all our videos, guys. Well above 600 average, 800, 600, 700, 600, 600, 700. So a lot of videos are actually above 200 now. I've found some TikTok tips. What I used to do was post every single hour, but that's not what you want to do apparently, which is why these ones have only 200, 300. So ever since I started following their tips, look at this, 700, 700, 600, always above 600, 800 now. So that's what we're going to try to do our best to keep these tips going. So if you're a new trader or even an experienced trader that just wants some more help, guys, either go on my website, click the link in my bio and join the free server, or if you want signal chats as far as own call outs to take the same trades that I'm taking when I'm entering what expiration date, what strike am I taking, then join the signal chat. The signal chat is where it's paid. It's a premium server with over 200 people in it, but you get all the signals that I call out. The free one is just you get all the trade ideas that I do plan on trading as well. I tell you guys what I'm looking at, what's on my mind, and I give you guys the breakdown either way. But the signal one is more important because, of course, you're going to get all the signals from me. I break down every single trade that I do, and I always break down every single trade that I do. But let's call out some very good call outs this week. Last week I didn't call out none because market conditions were choppy. So I didn't want to risk anybody losing money just because I want to enter a trade. As you guys saw, literally last week I took, I believe it was 6 losses and 9 wins. So 9 wins, 6 losses, 15 trades total throughout the whole week. But we still managed to become profitable if you guys watch my breakdown video. And if somebody wants to go back and do their own math calculations on if I made money last week through all my own trades, then yes, you'll see that I made money on my own trades. Managed to trade through the choppiness. Let's see what we can catch during this market open. There goes SPY, currently breaking out of that little pennant, breaking above all-time highs here. Let's see if it can actually hold and get a strong close above with some decent volume. Volume's okay, it's not too strong, but it is there somewhat. A lot of other stocks are already been bullish. Some are pulling back here, so we'll see what the market does as a whole together. This is why I watch all the magnificents, basically the strongest 7, Apple, Amazon, AMD, NVIDIA, SPY, SPX, just to make sure everything's falling through together. So I'm a little bit late because I tried to set up my, I don't even know if I'll be able to alert this one. So we're in some QQQ calls. So we're seeing 10% here, which is totally nice. 10% here. We need some more though. We need some more though. So let's take it out for a quick scalp, guys. I'm out. Quick scalp, quick scalp. It's almost very difficult to alert it and watch the charts too. So we just did a quick in and out scalp trade on QQQ calls here after the retest on the 9 EMA. I took these contracts from 124 to 137, and I'll show you guys the live trade. I mean, of course, you guys seen the live trade. Now, it does look like it's going to continue on rocketing here. That is a nice 5 minutes. Matter of fact, I'm just going to show you guys my orders now. So you guys can see, those are my orders there. And we made a quick, just $40 in and out. I had 3 contracts for a quick scalp. Wasn't sure how much it was going to keep pumping, but hey, it looks like it's going to keep on pumping. The volume's going crazy. I did alert it to the Discord as well. Quick in and out trade with the setup as well. So easy, easy, easy. So this is how we did on our first trade on QQQ. As you guys can see, here's our orders. We took them, we got 3 of them, 124, took them to 137. They did hit 150, which is not too crazy. So I don't mind that it pumped up a little bit after we got out. It was just a quick scalp in and out trade. That's what I wanted. So I am still looking for another trade, but we only have a few hours left. I had to do this call for this freaking court case so I can fight that ticket that I got like a month ago for parking in front of a fire hydrant with no tabs. So I'm still gonna look for one more trade, but unfortunately, I literally had to drive all the way to Puyallup, which is about 40-minute drive, maybe even an hour depending on traffic, which is only about 10 a.m. right now. So the 4-hour candle just closed. But I need to go to Puyallup, pick up a scanner, and then go work at my mom's house for some scanning her boyfriend's documents too. Oh my God. It's gonna be like a mission. So 45 minutes back home. I'm gonna be gone for over an hour and like 20-ish. Yeah, like an hour, 20 hour, 30-ish minutes, man. So do gotta take these out though. So we're gonna have to go fill these up. As you can see, this one's running pretty low. So we're gonna need some more. We're gonna need to go put some more in. We're looking to enter some AMD calls here soon. As you guys can see, this time we got a different angle, POV vision. This time we can see what the market's doing as a whole. So we're in a little bit early. We bought one of them for right now, and I'll buy another one later. They're going for 230 a piece, or 228 is what I got in. Market looks good, so let me put a price target and a stop loss. These things are pumping up nicely, but we still need another good pump. This little move right here, for some reason, even though it's pushing here good, 20 cents, it's only up 2%. That's super whack. So we're gonna sell out of here got in at 228 a piece. I'm gonna sell out at 229 a piece. One contract. This shit is moving so slow. All right, we're out. So we got what we needed, which is the scanner. Now we're gonna head out. Now we're gonna head out to our house. I just finished everything. As you guys can see, it's a lot of work loaded here. We got 3 laptops running plus a scanner, and I just finished all the paperwork there. So mom's Christmas tree, real nice. All right, let's head on up out of here, guys. Let's go home. So we got all our waters filled up too. We got 3 of them back there. I know you guys can't see them all, but we got them. So let's get home. So time is currently 6:41 p.m. and we're gonna go over the trades real quick that we took throughout the day. And you guys already saw I posted 2 live trades. I did 2 live call outs in the Discord, and the last 2 trades I did not do any call outs on them, unfortunately. I wish I did, because SPX Puts paid 60%. So the first trade I took was on QQQ, and I had 3 contracts for 124, sold them at 137, and this is the first trade right here. So I literally missed it when I was calling it out to the Discord, letting them know the trade idea. As I was posting this quick trend, nice bullish breakout to the upside, it literally ran without us. Then I decided to enter on a little bit of a pullback here. As soon as we pulled back on this candle at the 9 EMA, I decided to enter. First green candle just pushes up real nicely, puts in a nice profit of 13%, and I just sell for a quick exit. Now, my plan was to scalp it, so I didn't plan to hold it throughout this. Would have been nice, but either way, it was just a quick in and out scalp trade. That's what the idea was. So I'm glad I got out. Came back down to retest that little support area, which also would have been a nice entry here. You guys can see out the nice candle, but I would have took something like that, to be honest. And if I did, look at that, it just ended up reversing and chopping around. So that was the first trade. Then on AMD, literally bought a contract for 228, sold it at 228, didn't go nowhere. This was the trade on AMD. As you guys can see, literally went nowhere. I mean, I entered, this move right here was only 3%, which is nothing, because this looks like a decent move, but for some reason it wasn't printing. So we just sold out as soon as it came down to break even, and I took no L on that one. Then for a quick entry scalp on SPX, I took puts here. But before we even got that nice breakdown to the downside, I just entered at 11.12, held it for 2 minutes, took these contracts from $80 to $115 a piece, and that was a quick little in and out scalp. Glad I got out, because if I would have tried to hold, the thing just never did a retest at all. So that thing just ended up bouncing again. Then we took a SPY put for $25 entry, sold it at $12. So it was a loss on this one right here, but it really didn't do much. Try to take the retest here on the downside, same thing. It looks like SPX. I thought this would be a re-entry or a retest, and it ended up pulling up here. So we sold for a quick loss on that one. And then the last trade, which is SPX, again, another break-even trade. Bought it for $15, sold it for $15. Literally went nowhere. Now, the reason why I got in this trade is because a nice breakout here off of this candle. Pulls back here pretty hard. Then, since it was really close to expiration towards the end of the day, it just ended up chopping me out. Gained no value. Sold those for $0, break even. That's what we did today. But I hope you guys had a good Monday, because we certainly killed it today. And last week we killed it as well, although we did no call outs. We're going to continue on trying to do our best. And tomorrow we're going to do our best to try to hold if market is not choppy. Now, unfortunately, today it did break all-time highs. SPY broke all-time highs. Apple broke all-time highs. AMD went crazy. And there's a couple other stocks that went wild too. So tomorrow we're going to do our absolute best to be here in the pre-market and try to catch maybe a trade either at open or the first 30 minutes to try to catch that momentum. So I'll see you guys on the next one.